Hey, friend. Oh my God, it's the cracked effect. I wonder if she used eggshells. Okay, so we painting ourselves black. All right, we hiding those eyebrows. Oh, we doing black, y'all. So if you're gonna do this cracked look, you gotta go black first. She put it looked like concealer. Oh, she ain't use eggshells. It's paint. Oh, and she blow drying it. Oh, so you can achieve this. This is the second layer. Oh, wow. Third layer. Oh, she's starting to look like a porcelain doll. Look at those eyebrows. I'm loving it, guys. What do you guys think? Did she do better than the other eggshell girl? Oh my gosh, look at that. Oh my gosh, it's so good. Oh my God. Tell me your thoughts. What do you think? Do you think that this is much more sustainable?